Grasshopper. And the field one summer day, a grasshopper was hopping about, chirping, chirping, and singing to its heart's contents, content, and passes
Past.
pass
Hindi na ha, past.
pass by
By. Carrying.
carrying an ear of corn. It was a very
Heavy.
heavy load, but he did not stop. He was tucking the corn to his nest.
Nest.
Nest. Why not?
Slangers.
Why not come and play with me? Said the grasshopper. The day is too nice to be working so hard. I am helping to lay food.
Up.
Up.
Mm.
Lay up
Lay up.
food for the winter, said the ant. I think you should be doing the same. Why worry? Worry na. Worry. Masa to? Kanito?
Oh.
About the winter.
Dapat there pag may question mark mga. Why worry about the winter? Ano na ba? Winter. Question mark.
Winter.
Mura kag mangutana ba?
Why worry about the winter? The grasshopper said, we have
Plenty.
plenty of food now. The ant was tired from his work, and he thought it would be fun to join the grasshopper. But he went on his way and went on working until he had filled
Asa? Oh, failed.
his nuts with corn. Winter came
Pamiko, guys.
as it always does. Das nino?
Asa?
Kanay das?
Asa na?
Kanay ba? Das.
Oh, dust.
And the grasshopper had no more food to eat. He was kanay ba?
Dying
of hungry. While the ants were eating every day from the corn they had stored away. Ay, kanay ba?
Stored.
Stored away. Then the grasshopper
New.
knew that it is the best to prepare for the days
Ahead.
Mana! Ay,
So, ipabasa pa ning ma'am. Napa may number 2 siya, 1 pa man eh. Sa to pa ipa-appeal pa ng ma'am. Daans mangyapon na gani.
isa.
Okay, tanawa ko na.
Wala may daan.
Dili. Wala siya title daans pero basin i-appeal pa nagbasa.
Basin dili. Walay daan. Justin man ni ma.
Ha?
Boy Justin.
Mo na nagkuan.
This boy Justin.
Asa ko no, masigkuan.
Angelo.
Ano?
Na boy, tower left kaya.
Ha?
Tower left na.
Sige ko no. Gibasa na to ninyo ganiya sa school?
No, mama yung gi.
Kani ba gibasa ni ninyo sa school?
Oh, ako. Salang Sophia, una.
Mao ni mong gibasa.
Oh.
Dayon sunod.
Dili ra ko ako gipahuman ni ma'am.
Mm.
Gabasa na ko, gabasa ko.
Mm.
Gipahuman ako ma'am.
Oh, dayon asa pa? Asa pa imong ganang basahon ga? Ikaw ray gapili sa imong balasahon di ay.
Kaming Jasmine.
Oh.
Na kana,
Asa?
kana yung daan, gabasa kaming Jasmine. Nga, kana kanipad,
Asa?
kani. Nasa to? Kalimutin mo number. Nato diri.
Basing ato sa unahan.
Punya dapat. Ano? Wala may kauta ni.
Basa hapon na. Kasi kabalo ka ng bas. Taas na ba kayo ng balasahon na?
Dito. Kan sa tong
Ano yun?
wala may gabasa ng Jasmine. Dito kan pwede kayo.
Mga pwede kang dala yun.
No, kani may gikon Jasmine.